Building an online consulting business in 2020 is simple. It's not easy, but it's simple. What's up guys, it's Anri Davids here, and in this video you'll get a deeper understanding why listening to business gurus will keep you away from becoming successful. So I hope this video will connect some dots and let you really understand that you shouldn't listen all the time actually to those business gurus and start to take action, start to take the right action today. Business gurus are great, right? We all know them. Tony Robbins, Gary Vee, Grant Cardone, all those OG business gurus. They scream, they talk every day, they shout, and you listen and you listen and you listen. Information, information, information. Maybe you read books as well. So much information. And this is what they do. They give you information all the time. Never give you actionable steps to do something right now. And that's the reason why you are stuck. You're getting so much information that you become information overload, that you get analysis paralysis, that you get so much information that you never start. You have no idea where to start. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, please like this video, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and comment Biz Guru if you want to stop listening to them actually and start to take action right now and get actionable steps so you can start becoming successful as an online consultant in 2020. All those business gurus will all say the same things, right? All saying the same things. And when they give the action steps, when they give you some information so you can implement it right now, most of the time is not the most updated version of that action step. Because times are changing, a lot of things are changing, always developing, and they giving you the information that doesn't work right now anymore. So you maybe listen to them and take some action steps, and then you realize, okay, dang, like I try so much, I do everything what they say exactly step by step, but not get the results they promise you to get. And this is also what a lot of other consultants and a lot of other online business people are doing. They giving you advice that worked for them 3 years ago, but doesn't work for them right now. Because most of those business gurus, what they teach is actually not where they make their money with. That's crazy when you think about that. They're making money with talking on the stage and selling their courses or programs, but in the course and programs and things they talk on stage isn't a thing that's working anymore right now, but was working for them 3 years ago. And because times are changing so fast, you really need always to have the most updated version of the action steps you need to take. Otherwise, you can take all the actions, but never succeed. Maybe you also buy some info products of them, right? You just buy a course, you get in a Facebook group, maybe not, and you do all those videos and you have some motivation in the beginning because you invested some money, but then it stops. Yeah, there's no motivation, you don't see anyone succeeding, nobody's actually holding you accountable, and nobody is supporting you throughout this system, throughout this method, if it works. And this is what we have changed. This is what we have developed. The reason why most of our clients, we actually have almost the high success rates of everyone, is because of our accountability and support systems. And that's not what business gurus are giving you. They're just screaming at you, they're motivating you in your videos, but never actually hold you accountable, hold your hand, and support you with every step you take. And when we start to implement it in our mentoring program, we saw the clients' results skyrocket. This is also the biggest reason why so many people see online businesses as scams. And most of them are also scams. Nobody's making results. Nobody's making results actually. It's crazy. Maybe in a course, info product course with 100,000 people, maybe 50 people make results, and they see 50 of those amazing testimonials. So you see, and it's like, wow, if I buy this program, I'm really gonna get results because those people did it. But it's like if you have 50 people from 100,000, just do the calculations. It's not a lot of people who are getting results. So what really is important is this accountability and support. So what I also told you, maybe you're getting so much information already from all those business gurus, from all those free YouTube videos, from books. You get so much information. Every time you get more information because you don't know where to start. And every time when you get more information, you get actually a deeper level of not understanding and where to start. Because you get more information, new information, analysis paralysis. Bam, bam, analysis, does this work, does this work? More information, does this work? Oh, this is new, maybe that works, maybe this works, maybe that not. And you read and keep reading, and maybe you read for 5 years right now and haven't taken one action step. So what I want you to do is stop reading, because you probably already know what to do. What's the first step? I want you to start taking action. Look, you don't need to take the action with us. but I trust my gut feeling that you are watching right now, and this is not the first video you watch, and you actually already know where to start and what to do. So I want you, if you're not getting a mentor or a program who holds you accountable or gets you support, is to start to take the action. And when you start to take the action, then you can implement all those things you read or you get. Because just reading and just listening to those business gurus and just watching free content will get you nowhere. Anyway, if you want to get a mentor, if you want this accountability and support I talked about, and actually get the most up-to-date version of the things that work right now in 2020, because everything we teach, we do it ourselves. And we're doing exactly what we teach. And that's the reason why we are so confident to teach the methods we are doing, because we have a method that works for us, that works for other clients. It's proven step-by-step system. We just give that to you, and we hold you accountable through group calls, through WhatsApps, and through everyone else who keeps you accountable. So this is a really important thing, this accountability and support system, and we saw that that's the biggest reason why people succeed or not succeed, fail. So if you're serious and want to start to take the action, you're sick of listening to more information, you're getting sick of all those free YouTube content and not taking the right action while you want it so much. You read so much, you get so much information because you want it so much. And then you're sitting there, have no successful business, not doing anything. So if you're that person, me and my team made time apart to get on a call with you. On this call, we're gonna go over your goals, like your deepest goals, your deep current situation you're in. We're really gonna deep dive in you, in your head. And then we're gonna make a step-by-step plan together on how to get there. We're also gonna figure out if you're the right fit to work together. If not, we'll still put you in the right direction. But this is only for people who are serious. So click the link beneath this video, apply. You have to check the dates and the time. You have to press that. Then there are some questions you need to answer. And then me or one of my team members will get on a call with you. If you're still thinking, hey, I really want to start, but want to have a little bit more information, a little bit more inspiration on what to start and what the first actionable steps are, and get some inspiration about business ideas, I made a whole video explaining 7 very profitable business ideas that will give you inspired, motivated to start. Also goes deep into the first actionable steps you need to take. And I made a whole video explaining exactly that. So check the video out here, and I will see you there.